Hello. Hi everybody. I am going to be posting this on Facebook. I usually say hello YouTube, but hello Facebook, YouTube, social media people. Today we're going to be doing what everybody is doing on the internet right now, and for a good reason. Okay, everything's coronavirus. And since I'm in quarantine, as many Americans are, or at least you should be, everyone wants to get on the COVID cash cow, and it's kind of sad in a weird way, but I know they're making helpful videos. The problem with the mask videos I've seen is you kind of have to either be really, really desperate, and it's like cut a shirt in half and wrap it around your head, okay? That's pretty, I don't know the effectiveness of that. It doesn't look good, that's for certain. So there's a lot of people making just ridiculous ones like coffee filters and rubber bands, okay? That's just childish. You're not going to go out in public like that, are you really? I mean, if you have to, that's better than nothing. But I'm going to show you something that takes literally 2 small pieces of fabric. You'll need some scissors, a glue gun or some sort of adhesive, a paper clip or a piece of wiring about 4 inches in length, and something to affix it to your head, ribbon, strings, shoelace. I'm going to be using elastic because it's stretchy. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you're going to need for this. I'm sorry, half the videos, like I said, are either just ridiculous last resort kind of ideas, or you have to be Martha Stewart. I don't know about you, but I'm not friends with Martha Stewart, and she would have the things they need, but like some of them have like laminating machines to put like the name on the inside, and people have like, you know, sewing machines. Half of my friends do not own sewing machines. They are not 40-year-old soccer moms. Okay, most of them are, you know, late 20s, early 30s. A lot of them are single. They don't need necessarily all these craft items, and not all my friends are crafters like me. So this is gonna be simple. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna scoot this down, and you guys are gonna see. I'm gonna go through this really simple. Okay, I promise. So here is my stuffs. Okay, 2 pieces of fabric. One of them you want 6.5 inches by about 9.5 inches. This is for a woman's face. Maybe go 10 if you're a guy, 10 by 7. The second one inside of this, and this is felt. It's a thicker, stronger material. Now they say that virtually there is no difference between the materials as long as you're not using like lace, something you can actually see through. As long as there's 2 layers of material, which is why we're going to do the 2. And this is super thick. It does get warm, but they're not meant to be worn all day long. This is meant to be worn when you have to go to the grocery store because you are out of supplies. Got my little mini glue sticks. You're only going to need 1, really. And mine's already on, getting hot. Pins. By the way, this is a car mount for your phone. Awesome for keeping needles together. Trust me. Now, paper clip, like I said, or beading wire. The beading wire is to make the nose part that is going to form to your nose so it keeps it affixed to your face. And, oh, I missed one thing. You're also going to need tape. If you don't have tape, I found a fun way to get around that. Labels, little tiny file labels. I don't know if you can see that. See, file labels. You see these? These are perfect size. You cut the nose piece off the wire, roughly 4 inches or so. Inside pieces, take 1 finger's worth and just bend it inwards, kind of like, and you know what, you could probably use one, Christmas ornament hangers. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, like a candy cane on both sides, and press them as inwards as you can. That is so they don't poke into your face, but to double protect getting poked in the face, you're going to want to tape the ends, or like I said, you can use these awesome label things and just stick the thing to it. It doesn't have to be pretty because you're not going to see this. This is going to be glued underneath the fabric. So boom, nose piece, bendable nose piece, super safe, won't poke you in the face. So what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to make sure that the smaller piece, which is smaller by about 1 inch on all sides, roughly, okay, you'll see why. You're going to want to take your glue gun and you're going to glue in the nose piece first because it has to go in there. And you're going to glue it just right at the very top in the middle of your inner fabric. Pretty side down for the outside one. You'll see why, because boom, nose piece affixed. Okay, right in the middle. I didn't even have to measure it. Cool. And if you don't have measurement for something to measure your fabric with, most cell phones are about 6 inches. So you can use that as kind of a way to eye it. Next, you are going to see, because this is going to be the outside. Next, you're going to want to take the bottom and you're going to glue all the way till about the last inch. You're going to do the same thing on the top. Ta-da. Okay. I'm going to show you an example here. I have all the masks that are being currently used in the United States. I have your surgical mask, pleated surgical mask. I'm not doing pleats on this, by the way, because the way I'm going to cut it, it's going to form to your face anyways. Then I have the N95. That's the newer one. And I have the old N95s. Now, but this is practically exactly the shape. Matter of fact, I could just sit it there because it's perfect. Then I'm going to be cutting this out too, you'll see. So virtually, you are going to end up taking, that's why I said only to the top inch, because you're going to want to cut to where you can fold it in and you're going to make a trapezoid. Okay, Pizza Hut symbol, guys. Pizza Hut symbol. Like it's wearing a little cape, you know? I'm going to cut it like that. Because you want to cut from virtually an inch in all the way straight down to the bottom. So I know that sounds confusing, but I'm going to glue, you got to glue the top first so that you guys can see. So then you are going to glue very, 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 very right above where you put your nose piece. I need a glue stick. Batman. All right. And voila. I have a little lip overhang, so I'm going to go ahead and glue that in there too, just to make it look pretty. It really doesn't do anything for this, but now that you got the top glued, you can cut it without ruining the sides. But now you're only cutting the inner piece. That's why I said leave an inch without the glue, because you're going to want to be able to get that. Mine's almost, there we go. 1 inch. Cut directly from the bottom corner up to about an inch. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try your best. I believe in you. I have faith. Another one. Boom. So now you have kind of like a trapezoid shape, and then you're going to lift up and push in another triangle from the side, or just lift it up if you like. And you just want to affix some glue so it stays in place, just so we keep it nice and attached to the outer fabric. So now you have this. It's like, oh, it looks the same. Then you are going to get your outer fabric at the top and fold it in all the way to the bottom. Cut the excess off on the bottom. You are not going to need this. I promise. It's useless. Should probably pin that, but fine. Ta-da. Do the same on the opposite side. Fold your sides 2 times. Probably gonna have to glue this before you glue it the second time down. So glue the one side to get it in half. Boom. Okay. Other side. Do 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 do. Now you're going to want to take your stringy, whatever you're using to affix it to your face. And I just had my, there it is. I'm using awesome piece of hot pink glass. Like I said, this is going to be cute for me because this is not what I wear out in public anyways. So when you go ahead and put it inwards, you're going to want to stick them straight out from the corners. So mine's going to go like right there. And that's where you're going to glue your little pocket area here underneath it too. You don't want it to go anywhere. Make sure it sticks straight out. And then you are going to fold in your coat pocket. And then you're going to go up to the top after you have measured out. I do mine about 6 inches for the elastic. You can also use thin elastic like this, or string. You can use ribbon, shoelace, whatever. Almost anything. And you are going to do the same at the top. You're going to glue underneath it and over it. Boom. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Nice firm pressure. Make sure that it is secure. I think I messed up by telling you guys not to glue the middle down yet, which was wrong advice. Should have definitely done the sides first. Most definitely. And make sure that it's closed up all the way down. Perfect. Do the same. So you got on the other side. See? Ta-da, 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 mask. Boom. And you can do this, like I said, all sorts of materials. There's all sorts of ways to make them. This is just really the easiest with the least amount of junk you need. Don't need a sewing machine. You don't need any of that nonsense. You need elastic, 2 pieces of fabric, and a hot glue gun. And, of course, here's your nose piece. See? So now it stays whatever shape you put it in. So that'll go over your nose. How nifty. So I hope that was super simple. Probably wasn't for you guys because I suck at doing these things. But, you know what I'm saying? Super safe, looking cute. You could have moved that up a little bit. I guess I could have moved that side up a little so it's not as pockety. Cute. Super cute. So cute. It's ridiculous. And I'm going to make another one. But I'm going to do this one with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and orange. And I'm going to have it say, "We go hard on Earth," because I think it's going to be cute. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this ridiculous, super easy though. I'm telling you guys, like, that was super duper easy. Super easy, ridiculous. Face mask. They don't get better than that. What was that, 5 minutes? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Anyways, if you liked it, like and subscribe. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and just like, comment, say hi, say what's up. Tell me what you guys have used for masks. It's been awesome, guys. See you later.